What's going on, guys? Happy Friday. Hope you guys are doing well. Swell, or however you want to say it. Oh my god, Robinhood. Blowing up my phone. I don't even have any stock. Sorry about that. David Yang, what's up, man? What's on today's agenda? Today, we got a Lambda School video. I got my first sponsored video coming out today. Well, my first sponsored shout out. So that was kind of neat, I guess. You know you've made it. What's with the sound? That's my phone. Is the audio quality not good or something? What up, downtown? What's up, man? How you guys doing tonight? Day, afternoon, morning, wherever you're at. I don't know, let's just... Yamamoto-san, what's up, dude? Working that job right now. Learning to code. Gonna do Lambda part-time in November, dude, that's awesome. Hope it works. It will work, right? I mean, that's the only option. So I made the thumbnail like, let's talk about clickbait, because like it's so, I feel like if you want to get views, you don't do what you're passionate about, or at least not on the thumbnail. Pitch of your voice is low. All right, hold on. What about now? Is that better? What's Lambda? Lambda is a part-time, or, well, voice is different. I mean, I just woke up, so it might be a little bit different. I have no idea why it's so low, though. I unplugged it and plugged it back in. I gotta post this on Discord real quick. Voice is normal now. Back to sounding like a 15-year-old. Awesome. Can I get that regular deep voice? Whatever I did. I unplugged it. So what happens is when the two sound samples don't match up on this, then you get this weird, What's up, everyone? Doing some cardio at gym ATM. Dude, get that cardio. I'm about to go. It's upper body day, so we get some arms, we get some chest, go for a run. It's gonna be good. Think about making like a workout PDF for like different types of people. I don't know. Maybe people would be interested in those. Pogo, hey, how's it going, Pogo? What's up? We're just hanging out for a little bit. It's Friday. You guys got big plans? You going to see some movies? Can you learn code well enough to get a job if you're 45 plus? Shad, I'm gonna... Yeah, yesterday we just interviewed... Well, I was with Craig, pretty much, and he's 46, so... Sounded unnatural deep. Oh, man. Actually, if... I have Adobe Audition, and if I turn the decibels, if I turn the semitones down, I sound like super, super, super deep voice. And, I can do some pretty good... ebonics, right? If I had no camera, you probably couldn't tell the difference, because I grew up in Atlanta. I don't know if you guys know what that means. Craig, tell Shad. Craig's always here. Craig is an omnipotent being. Hackathon ideas. Blockchain apps seem to be the new meta. Yeah, who can create some sort of blockchain app using some sort of language in some sort of amount of time? Vincent, what's up, man? How's it going, guys? Why don't you build a website for tech fitness? What does that mean? Tech fitness, you say? How do you get remote work so you can live in Bulgaria and snatch up all the cute Bulgarian girls? Dude, I don't know. I'd recommend like Sweden. Am I excited for Classic WoW as everyone else? I don't know what you do at the end of Classic WoW. Like, you get tier 1 and tier 2 and tier 3. You gotta figure out how to queue up your 40-man raids, and then some dude calls out, which is your main tank at the very last moment, because his girlfriend's throwing him out because all he does is play WoW. I don't know. I don't know. I just don't know what you do in Classic WoW. I think the only thing that was kind of neat in Classic WoW is that you could two-shot people. It was fun if you were on the end of the person doing the two-shotting, but if you were on the other end bent over without even, you know, that wasn't fun. Will I play it? I don't know. Is it going to be like a whole separate subscription? Are they just gonna tack that on to the Battle.net thing? I don't know. It's summer, you hate the rain. I don't get how it's summer. Like, I wonder how that works, right? Because the globe is closer to the sun for us in the summertime, but it's further away from the sun in its loop, but it's still summer for you. Is it just because of like how it's tilted and it's just facing the sun more? I don't know. I don't know how it's actually hotter there because the distance from the sun is further. Did I get COD? I didn't get COD yet. It's $60. So I'll gladly take COD as a donation, but it's pretty expensive. I think it'd be cool to play. I think that's probably what everyone's streaming on Twitch right now, if I'm not mistaken. Let me ask you guys a question. So I have if you guys could pick Coursera, if you guys could pick a Coursera course to go over and review, what would it be? Because I'm going to be doing some review videos on some Coursera courses. Let me show you guys what my ideas are right now. Please hold. Michael, you already know the basics. Still practice at Code Wars or start doing an app? Yeah, you should start doing apps. Stop practicing. You can practice for Code Wars when you know you got an interview coming up. COD is bad, go Fortnite. Why not both? Any daily goals I set for today? I have daily goals every day. I got so many. But I gotta make a video today. I gotta make 2 videos today, actually. You want to see a Coursera course on JavaScript? You can literally get JavaScript almost anywhere. I need to find the link. Need to find the link. Where's the link? So I'm thinking about doing machine learning. This would be fun. Let me actually copy the link. Copy link address. So that would be fun. And then I'm also thinking about doing this. Oh, I didn't copy the link. Right there. So those are the 2 courses I'm thinking about reviewing for Coursera. They want me to review 2 courses, so I think there's a pretty big need or interest in those, I guess. We were like, what do you know about AI, machine learning, or deep learning? We could do deep learning also. Deep learning could be cool. They have ones like the science of well-being, G Suite administrator fundamentals, business fundamentals, architecting with Google Cloud, Excel skills for business, Excel to MySQL. That could be kind of fun for new people. Graphic design, statistics with R, data science, Google IT support professional certificate. Need for Python classes or for reviews? What do you mean, Robert? I think, what? You took a Udemy course that shows you how to make 10 real-world Python projects. Do I know of any others similar? Automate the boring stuff with Python? There's nothing on here about security. Oh, you're actually viewing the website. Yeah, I have no idea. What is your take or machine learning? I mean, I don't have one because I haven't done it. So that's why it'd be cool to do the course or review the course. Pass all graded assignments. Dude, this is intense. I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, it looks pretty intense. There was a need. Yeah, and I corrected myself. When I said there was a need, I meant to say there was an interest in the community to do. Yeah, brush up on your linear algebra and probability theory. Yeah, probably. Maybe I shouldn't do these then. If I don't have experience with it, how can I review it? Pluralsight or Treehouse? They're different applications. Pluralsight's more IT. Treehouse is more web dev. Pluralsight is typically what you go if you want, like, if you got like a business and you want to like educate your employees on something. It's like enterprise training. That's the vibe I get from it. Treehouse is more specific to web dev. Yeah, if I don't know, how can I review it if I've never done it? $4 to 6 hours for 5 weeks. Business foundations? Yeah. But anyways, that's what's going on. I can send you the complete list real quick, and you guys can just. There's one in Spanish, so obviously I can't do that one. Oh, this is way too long. I only get 200 characters. Is that 200? I can get a couple more on there. I'll be fine. You have an engineering degree. Yeah, but that doesn't mean I remember the math. It's like, you don't use the math at work. Like, could I figure it out? Eh, probably. But don't expect me to just jump in there. Like, let's see. Also, to get an engineering degree, you don't have to be good at math. You just have to pass the math class. These are the topics that I'm spamming. So if you have any interest in those, let me know. You guys got big plans for the weekend? What are you guys doing? Dope channel. Keep it up. Dude, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Thanks for dropping that in there. Things are slowing down a little bit here because I'm just experimenting with different videos. But what I should do is just do what works, which is clickbait. But on the inside, every time, it's just like I die a little. Dustin Kelly, what up, dude? How's it going? Welcome aboard to the Friday stream, my friend. Oh, by the way, if you guys have portfolios, please email me. I only have 2 portfolios from people to review, so I would like some more. If you guys want to be brave enough, just shoot me your portfolio to my email. Interested in Python and data science? Yeah. We'll take a look at those. I have a call with them later today, so I'll discuss more. Graphic design, how to learn powerful mental tools. That could be fun. I think that's more in line with my channel, especially because the machine learning is like 6 weeks long. How can I review that in 6 weeks? Or I could talk about maybe the course. practicing some whiteboard coding with a friend this weekend. Any tips for those? Yeah, I mean, if you go in knowing what you're going to practice, that would probably help, right? But I can't tell you exactly what to do because you're just like practicing whiteboard. What exactly are you practicing? You doing JavaScript, Python, PHP? Are you practicing data structures, loops, different little toy problems? I don't know what you're doing. Yeah, so there's actually a pretty cool website. It's called Pramp, P-A-R-A-M-P, Pramp, and you can like schedule interviews with people for free, right? So you go on there, you pick your skill, and then like this is the sponsored video that I'm doing later, right? But like I don't even like, they're not paying me to talk about it right now. You know what I mean? But it's pretty cool. You go on there, you log in, you book a time with someone, you pick your skill level, and you pick on what you want to do. And then you match with someone, and then you sit down and do the whiteboard. Like you schedule it for a day. It's like you do the video call. It's pretty neat. Yeah, I think they have Java on there, so you can check that out if you want. I really don't know how I didn't know about it. Because I feel like I would have just made a video about that anyways, but they're like, hey, check us out. I'm like, oh, this is exactly what I would talk about. Yeah, but... Greg dude, what's up? Good morning. Let me look at these other ones. How's the audio? This new mic is very sensitive to directions. Tip, lighting and backdrop green screen, but not cheesy. I need a light. I have a green screen. The problem is that I have very thin hair, and so if I have a green screen, my hair looks green. So, how do you spell it? Pramp. Oh wait, hold on. Wait. I have a link. If you, I don't get any money from the link, but if you use it, you get unlimited referrals. Please hold. Wait. Not unlimited referrals, but unlimited interviews. Here we go. What the heck? Please edit and... Oh, I can't. Alright. Please hold. Why won't it let me post? Edit and try again. What the heck? Okay. So put a dot in the com. What? Okay, look. It's called this. Pramp.com/promo/ I don't know why it's promo. Like I don't get paid if you use it, so it's just for you. What? It won't let me post it. Error. And maybe no slashes. Here, I'll put dashes where the slashes go. Or I'll put underscores where the slashes go. There. Finally it works. So it's pramp.com/promo/ my name with the dash. And then you get unlimited interviews. But I don't get anything, right? So it's not like I'm trying to get your money. Don't worry. Best way to study for coding interview? Yeah, this is a pretty good website. You could also get Cracking the Coding Interview, which is a book. You could also do Interview Cake. So that's a website. YouTube hates. I think it's because of the slashes. They think that I'm trying to, you know. How could you get free hosting? Well, you're not going to get totally free hosting, but 000 web host will let you have 3. Yeah, Rodrigo. No problem, fam. I got you. Yeah, let me know if that link doesn't work. I have it when I click on it, it just logs me in. So let me actually try it on a incognito. But yeah, dude, that's the first. Pramp is the first person to sponsor the channel, so that's pretty sweet. Pretty excited because I feel like this is exactly what my channel is about, like how to get the job. Well, here you go. I'm low-key jealous that I didn't make this website, but at the same time, so like what they do is they like match you with like an employer, I guess, and if you do enough interviews, you can just sign up for employer interviews, and then you can like actually get a job. Hey, that's awesome. Unlimited interview credits. Sweet. Because I think if you don't use that link, then yeah. Tech Life. I saw your comment on one of my videos, and then I haven't responded to the email yet, but I got it. Guys, go check out Tech Life's channel. He's the guy. Well, without throwing any shade, I don't mean this in any way, right? But Tech Life, you were the one that made the response video to my trilogy, and then I was like, good vid. But you can go check out his channel. He makes tech videos too, if you want. He's the guy. You're not just the guy. He's Tech Life. If you're a student, get the GitHub student package. You'll have a year. And then, well, then after a year, you lose everything. But I suppose you could do that. Wehrman's looking out for people. I don't know if you guys are following stocks, but like a couple days ago, the stock market had a terrible day. And then now today's everything's on the rebound. Classic stocks. Thanks for the name. Yeah, no worries, dude. It's all good. Anyways, that's gonna be like the little shout out. What I suggest for the audience: learn to code and land on a good job. Learn to code, be self-employed. What? One second, I have to sneeze here. I mean, it depends on what you want. If you want to be self-employed, if you have the drive to be self-employed, if you need benefits, probably don't be self-employed. I don't have eye insurance now. I don't have dental. I don't have healthcare. If I get a disease, I'm capital F'd, you know? So yeah, I mean, it depends on what you want. Not everyone wants to do the same thing. Got the second phone interview today thanks to you. Yo, keeping me motivated. It's awesome. What's more of a passion for me? Content creating, working out, or coding? What? Don't make me pick. At Reese, that's not fair. I like all of them. I like all of them. I like content creating because I feel like I have to be producing something that goes out into the world that people use. And I know you can do that with code, and that's cool. But then there's like the whole office politics and all that stuff that just doesn't fit me. Some people, you know, they like that. They feel fulfilled. Fulfilled. Oh man. What up? A title about clickbait is clickbait. I mean, it's pretty meta, right? It's just because Zach, I was thinking about, like, actually I was talking to Joe. I was talking to Cody Face on the phone last night for like, I don't know. We were talking for like an hour or so. And we were just talking about like, it's really silly that you can work really hard and put a lot of effort. Like for example, yesterday's video, I edited that video for like 6 hours for 600 views. And I tried something different with the title, no views, no views at all. And so it's just like people are like quality over quantity. I'm like, well, I mean, I could add more visual effects and spend another 8 hours on this. But then if you look at Chris Sean's video yesterday, he made a video that was 8 minutes long, just him talking to the camera, 0 effects, uploaded it, gets 1,000 views in like 8 hours. And I am at like 20 hours with 700 views. So it's like, what I think you just have to play the name game with the algorithm. That's it. That's all there is. Can you ask a serious question? Isn't that a serious question? I don't know. It just had me thinking. It's not really. It's just about the title and the tags. Hey, dude. Oh, that's 30 push-ups. Give me the pump for the, all right, hold on. Let me get you your 30. Hey, thanks, man. You don't have to do that. All right. I appreciate it, though. Thanks, man. I think the more you produce, the more views will come. I mean, there has to be a certain amount of quality, but here, let me get you your 30 in before my chest day is already started. All right, hold. Tech Life, dropping the donos, but really, like, he didn't have to do that. But let me do my 30, I guess. I'm gonna be sore later. No, I did 130 that one day. It wasn't too bad. I broke my boom for the mic. It's terrible. Now I have a mic on a stick. All right, we got. Well, move this up. Damn it. All right, here we go. We got 30. I haven't even warmed up. Oh, my elbows. 1, 2, 4. Okay, how'd the 30? The 30 push-ups. All right. That was good. Thanks. Too late you started. It's all good. Need some duct tape? Yeah, it's terrible. Shouldn't exercise without warming up, just saying. Well, that was my warm-up, I guess. Thanks, man. I have the, this is my boom. And then, let me show you how I broke it. Quality over quantity, the quality of what you say deliver, but the titles, thumbnails could be improved. Well, that's actually, if you think about it, to get a view, people have to click on the video. So the main issue is my thumbnail and the title, because you don't get a view unless they click, and so that's what brings in the views. So I have to work on that, right? And I'm just experimenting with that stuff. Yeah, I think we have a pretty good community, to be honest. I mean, a lot of the same people. Aaron's here, Tech Life, I see him a lot. Sam, Craig, Zach, I mean, a lot of the same people here. It's awesome. We have like a little group. Wish we could all go hang out or something. Oh my God. Craig! Take it back. Can I refund? All right, well, I'll do them in a minute. Give me a moment here. This is the mic stand we got right here. I broke it. It's like, I accidentally stepped on it, and so it just instantly topples over. This was like $100. Damn it. Please hold. Whatever. How's my day look like lately? I mean, it's pretty busy. LOL, bye COD. Actually, we're 10 short, Craig. But then, yeah, sure. All right, let me get to 20. We got 20. Please hold. All right, let's get some pump. Oof. Ah. Feel the tightness in the chest. All right. All right, all right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. All right, halfway. 11, 12, 13. Well, that was a shitty one. All right, there we go. Oh, for fuck's sake. All right, Greg. All right. Please hold. Oh my God. I have to take a picture of this. I'm putting this on the Instagram. Guys, when you accidentally put up $1 per push-up. Oh man. Okay, hold. It's not that bad, right? I think Tech Life, I think you're a vet, right? So you would know if I'm doing the push-ups wrong. So I need your opinion. Here we go. Oh, photo. There we go. There we go. What's going on Instagram? Thanks, guys. Getting joshed. All right, hold. Oh my God. Craig, can we not? This is just torture, right? All right. Let me knock out Greg. I got your 10. Greg and Craig. 10 and 10. Hold on. Yeah, you posted. All right, I'll read the comment, right? Just excuse for more time. It's payday today. I know, right? I'm a senior student. You want to be a programming OC, taking object-oriented program Java with SQL. You're not sure where to head. Please advise. Going to graduate May 2000. Oh, you got a while, dude. You got a while. You need to learn JavaScript, 100%, or Python. Maybe Python would probably drive better. That's what I would recommend. If you want a website, maybe try Colt Steels on Udemy, Treehouse, Free Code Camp. There's a whole bunch of places. If you drop 50, will you get matched? Yeah, I mean, I'll do them all, right? But then I guess I'm skipping chest day. Well, not skipping chest day, but I'll skip the chest part. Poor guy? Nah, dude. Here we go. Let's see. All right. Shirt's coming off. All right. Let me get your 10, and then I get your 10. Move it out the way. All right, there's yours, Greg. I mean, I can feel it. Oh my God. Tyler! Alright, so what? I got 20 more to do now? Alright, please hold. Thanks, Tyler. Thanks, Craig. Thanks, Tech Life. Everybody. I'm gonna have to start converting these to like leg lifts or something. I'm actually not that winded. I would like some water though. All right, let me get your next 10. Should we do mill like side press, tricep press? Hold. Here we go. What happens if someone donates $100? Someone already did that, except they donated 100 Great British Pounds last week, and that's $130. So, 130 push-ups. You feel it? I feel it in the triceps. Definitely here in the triceps. You can't see, but you get some pump. Yeah, DOMS, delayed onset muscle soreness. What do I got? 20 more to do, I think? 10 more? I think 10 more. No. Yeah, alright, got 10 more. Here we go. Alright. There we go. There we go. $1 equals 1 diamond push-up? No, that's not what it said. That's not what it said. Good morning. Resolution. Tech life. So there's this guy named Anthony Alicia. He does the weird parts. I don't know if you ever heard of that, but he has a course called Node.js, the weird parts on Udemy. That will give you a solid understanding. And he also has one just called JavaScript, the weird parts. Yeah. How many push-ups is that? Like 50, 60, 70 push-ups or something? I don't know. Thanks for that chest pump. Let me find it for you. Please hold. My boomstick. It looks like a fishing pole. Hold. Here we go. Node.js, the weird parts. Where is it? William, what's up, man? It might just be Node.js. Yeah, learn and understand Node.js. Here you go. Oh, it's not on sale. What? This might be the first time I've ever seen Udemy not on sale. Or that course isn't on sale. Wait, everything's on sale, but it's like 26 bucks. 80 push-ups? Oh, not bad. It's good. Good little pump. When people say all you do is make videos, actually, when you make the living doing push-ups. Andrew Mead's Node course is really good, but expensive. Yeah. I can feel the lactic acid when I was doing those final 10. It started to get real hard. Go back and look at some of my first videos and see the size difference. Well, I started lifting a lot heavier than those old videos. Like now I just lift super heavy for, you know. Wait, everything on Udemy is full price? What the heck? It's not. I'm looking at mine. They look like they're still on sale. I imagine what's going on here is that you need to use a code. So, or maybe they're just trying it out. But I've never seen everything at $25. Seems really expensive. Did they just decide to, I don't know. If I open Honey, there's a whole lot of codes. Yeah, here's one. 10 April 303. All courses now $10 for this code right here. Oops. All right, I'm gonna go grab some water real quick. BRB. Come on. viewers. I got more viewers. You're already on Treehouse. The trick is to use the app. I suppose that's true. I'm gonna mute this while I shake. Now I get that shake weight practice. I'm sorry, I'm muted. I was gonna give you 2 clap push-ups, but I went down for that first push-up. Clap was not happening. Do I have a new course out? What's all the talk about Udemy? So Tech Life was looking for a good Node.js course, so we were talking about where we could find some Node.js, help them understand. I was like, I'm gonna give you 2 clap push-ups. Here we go. And I went down and my arms just like folded. You thought your headphones weren't working? Yeah, it was just me. Just me. Yeah, if you guys have some video ideas, feel free to drop them. Feel free to drop. I don't know if you guys are interested, but I should be working on merch at some point here. I'm not sure what to put on it, but I'll figure it out. That's on my list of stuff to do today, along with email, along with everything else. I'm thinking about filming myself. How much for burpees? Probably, I don't know. I'm not going to say the same because then you're going to donate like $100. Then I'm going to actually skip the gym. I don't want to do burpees. Burpees are the worst. Also, I did leg day yesterday, so I can just imagine. Am I going to update my website? Every day I wake up and say, all right, today I'm updating my website. And then I get caught up. Doggo merch. Yeah, that'd be cool. Context API and get dreaded by the, hey, what you working on from the boss man? Tell him that you're working on an application that will help you sort through your inventory better. That's what I did. I was working on code, just watching tutorials, and I made like this little code app that was just an Angular pipe filter. Make some courses. Your channel is a little more interesting than most. I have some. Oh, I have one. It's about GitHub and GitFlow and how to get set up on there real quick. Not tonight. I'm coding. I'll leave that to you, because if she says, hey, what you doing? I'm like, all right, bye code. No, pass. Just make a course on how to make a business website. I mean, I have some, right? But like, what am I trying to do with cucumbers? What? You'd buy a doggo shirt? That's the only reason. All right, we'll put him like as a cartoon. Let me get some good pictures of his like nose. I think, Aaron, you asked me how did I come up with my logo for the intro. I used After Effects for that. Thanks, guys, for supporting the channel, by the way. Seriously, it's awesome. $46 minutes. Yeah, I'll go another 15 minutes. Not tonight. You're coding. See what? Yeah, get cod. Okay. All right. All right. Did you already get it though, Craig? I think you have it for Xbox. Is it crossplay? Are you at the top of a telephone pole right now, Craig? Are you underneath someone's basement, crawling through grandma's closet? After Effects workflow or basics would be cool videos. It's been years since you've touched it. I don't think I'm the best, but I think what I should do is start editing like fully. And the problem with After Effects is it takes so long to render, preview your stuff. After Effects just seems so much more demanding, and I have a pretty good computer. You're up all night coding, now you want to sleep all day? Well, I mean, you have to be able to focus, so you should probably do that. Is COD still a thing? Well, so COD Black Ops. Well, yeah, Black Ops 4 came out with Blackout, and that's basically the COD version of Battle Royale or PUBG. But it's like it's a little bit different because you can like summon zombies like you could in zombie mode. You can summon the dogs to go chase people. You can get the little monkey. There's like those little chests that you can open up from zombie mode to get like a cool random laser gun. It's kind of like out of control version. And then all of the locations on the map of Call of Duty, that like all the locations on the Battle Royale map are previous maps. Final Cut Pro X. Final Cut only works on Mac, I think, right? But Final Cut renders 4K really fast. There's definitely some rendering differences, but Final Cut can't do motion tracking, and they can't do camera tracking, and I don't think they have 3D. After Effects gets really complicated really quick. I used to make videos on how to edit videos, and those got okay views. I was posting them to Reddit, and like I don't know, people seem to like them. I remember if we go back far enough, I exploited. That sounds terrible. I used my girlfriend as a thumbnail because she's pretty hot. So that got like 1,000 views. Yeah, Final Cut's super fast. I use Premiere because I'm on Windows. But I actually need to go to laptop, right? Because if I want to go travel and make videos, I can't actually edit them because I don't have a laptop. Are you guys gonna go see that? What I think there's a new movie that came out today. I forget which one it was. No, wrong one. Never mind. Goosebumps 2. Oh no. It's really hard to find. Well, there's one dude. His name is Justin Odisho. He's really the only one that I look for. Thanks for the LLC. It was fire. Yeah, I'm glad you think so. I think you were the only person. That should be my next clickbait, is having her as I should just make her all of the thumbnails. What I should do, really, is just put her in a bikini, quit YouTube, and make her an Instagram thought. And then, boom, done. Easiest income of my life. I told her, I was like, look, I get 90, you get 10. All you got to do is wear the bikini. And she's like, well, okay. All right. It's like, if I'm doing all the work of the pictures and the uploading and the editing and the photograph, and all you got to do is stand there, I get 90. What is this? The First Man? What is the Happy Prince? Oh no, I can't play that. I'll get demonetized. Yeah, but seriously, I need some portfolios, guys. If you got portfolios, send them over. Por favor. Well, my girlfriend's not gonna get in front of the camera. Like, not in front of a video camera. There's Patrick, there's not a whole lot of free ones, but you gotta use this. 000 web host. They'll give you a free cPanel hosting. You could also use GitHub pages. I'm gonna update the link in the, well, yeah, never mind. Zach, how long have you done the old engineering? You didn't realize GitHub? Yeah, you can just do GitHub pages. That's where Craig has his stuff hosted, so he can help you out. GitHub pages. I'll link that here. All right, back to work. All right, later, Craig. Have a nice Friday. Is it required? Typically, GraphQL goes with Apollo. That's just how it goes. What's a good site for buying domains? I buy my domains from Namecheap. Hey, Engineered Truth Guy says we don't need to get a CS degree. Does he mean it unless we try to get a manager job? Help, please. You don't need a CS degree. You don't need a college degree. You don't need a degree to do code. All you need is your skill. If you want to be a CTO, all right, let's think about this for a second here. We have Apple and we have Google. Both of these companies were started by people that don't have degrees, that were college dropouts. Let's look at Facebook. He dropped out from college. Let's look at a bunch of other large places. They don't have degrees. And so it's a little bit hypocritical for those companies to require degrees. You've been doing the mechanical engineering job for 4.5 years? Oof. Oof. I don't know. A degree is just like, hey, I went to this school, and this school is supposed to be really hard, which means I passed the really hard stuff, so hire me. Like, that's all, if you boil it down. At least, that's my opinion. I don't think, like, do you need one? No, absolutely not. Does it help? It depends on the company. Like, would I go back and get my degree again if I knew that there was like a code school? I think the only one that was around was Hack Reactor, like before I went to college. Some companies like Microsoft require a degree. If you don't have one, they won't even look. Yeah, I mean, it's not the same Microsoft that, you know, when Bill Gates was around. But yeah, I mean, if they won't even look at you, okay, fine. That's great. But what do you really want to? Unless you really, really, really want to work at Microsoft, I don't know. I don't think a degree shows that you took time to learn more than someone else. I think a degree shows commitment to doing something for 4 years and finishing, and a degree shows that you're very good at taking tests, right? Anyone can memorize information to take a test, and then that doesn't mean you learned it. That doesn't mean you're going to remember it. Like, I don't remember the math and stuff, but I remember I passed the tests. I don't remember statics and stuff, but I remember I studied enough to pass the test because I never use it. It's not applicable. But I think it just shows commitment to doing something, quote unquote, difficult for 4 years straight. But you got to consider the monetary cost of it. Like, it's really expensive. Like, I still have student debt. I have like I don't know. It's been like 3 years, and I still have like 12,000 in debt. And I try to pay it off, like, you know, pretty good. And I think that's not a lot of debt for what it is, but yeah. Hello from Poland. Hey, from Salt Lake City. Zach. Marco, what's up, man? Gotta get back to work. Catch you later, man. All right, later. This is my work, so I'm here for when you come back. And when you get bored, just open me up on a new tab and then alt tab back to your other tab. Yeah, the culture. Then what's the point? What's the point of what? Yeah, I mean, you can learn code and other tech stuff. You can learn almost anything you need on the internet, right? I wouldn't trust a doctor without a degree. I wouldn't trust a civil engineer without a degree. I wouldn't trust someone to build this NASA space rocket ship without a degree. But this is computer science. You're programming stuff. As long as you're not programming hardware that could kill someone. If you're making a web page that breaks on login, okay. You know, it's just different. Jamie, check my Discord messages when I'm not busy. I'm not busy. Where are you at, Jamie? I don't see it in here. Well, so the only thing I ever used at work was trigonometry. Just basic cosine, sine, tangent, and that was about it. Just your basic trigonometry to solve for angles and lengths. And that was about it. Is the debt stuff from the US? It's only from the US. I don't have any debt from Finland. In Finland, they actually pay you to go. Well, it's because I was married to a Finnish girl. They treated me like I was a Finnish citizen. Alo. Oh, yeah, I remember. I saw this yesterday, and then I was going to take a picture, and then someone called me. I don't have any good pictures of it. Not really. I mean, you can see it here. It just, like, nothing too specific. Yeah, my parents didn't go to, well, that's not true. My dad went to college. Did I use a calculator to do the trig? Yeah, I used a calculator. Yeah, if you guys could, if you're here, hit that thumbs up. At least if you're on your way out. If you're not, if you're alt-tabbed, if you're driving to work, if you're somewhere out there lurking, please hit that thumbs up. What should you learn to start work as a programmer? JavaScript. Learn JavaScript, learn Python, and then I think you'll be all right. I mean, there's a lot more to it than that, but to start, I'm not going to give you the whole entire thing. Otherwise, you're just going to get overwhelmed. Professors don't tell you that stuff. Why would they tell you that, right? Professors write their own books and then force the class to buy it so that you can do the homework. I mean, come on. I've seen, my girlfriend had to do that. My girlfriend's professor wrote her own book and then required that they do the homework from that book. And so the professor's charging like $400 per book, right? That's a nice little bonus paycheck for him every semester. Oh, it's a PDF that's only 35 pages, but $400. If you want to pass the class and get the homework done, you have to buy it. What the shit? How is that allowed? Actually, they weren't allowed to do that. How would I prepare for a coding bootcamp? Maybe I should make a video on how to prepare for a coding bootcamp. I would prepare by getting comfortable with getting stuck. And I don't know how you prepare for that, except do really difficult problems that you are out of your league. How would I go about debugging an error in Webpack? That sounds like a syntax error somewhere. It can't really be more than that. Just probably a syntax or versioning error. $400 a book is more than the lowest wage in Poland. Well, you don't have to worry about that because here in the U.S. we just pay for everything with student loans, and then you like $30,000 doesn't seem like a lot when you're going through college, but when you graduate and you get that bill, and they're like, hey, we want our $270 this month, and you're like, well, that's like, I don't even have a job yet, and they're like, give us our money. Wait, hold on. That happens to a lot of people. Like, it happens to a lot of people that go to college and then drop out with like $50,000 in loans. It's not fun. But yeah, I mean, I had some professors that cared. Well, in the U.S., not so much. In Finland, yeah, because they didn't get paid that much. How important is it to learn algorithms? Merge, sort? I mean, it depends. It depends on where you apply. If you apply as a front-end developer, it probably doesn't matter that much. Probably not that important. They could all contribute to buy one book and then do the homework from that. So actually you can't, because you need the access code, right? That's what they're doing now. That's what McGraw-Hill and all these other racketeering garbage places do that, you know, make books. They have a digital code in the back that is a one-time use digital code, and in order to get that code, you can't buy the book used because the code has been used. You have to buy a brand new book to get a brand new code so that you can log in and do your homework. Now what kind of garbage is that? Yeah, do what Tech Life says. Learn all the free stuff. And then don't, well, you can ask dumb questions, but I would say make your questions detailed. Have evidence. Don't just be like, yo, I'm stuck. That's probably like the worst because you have no context to what you're talking about. Is it a semicolon? Have you written the logic? There's bad logic. Tell me what you tried. But don't say, hey, I got a problem here. You mentioned the other day, girlfriend teaches English at community. Yeah, I remember you said that. Yeah, you can confirm that she doesn't care. Well, you know. That looks like an example of software lock-in, the book stuff. I mean, it's just if you were the book company, you'd do the same thing because you know people are just going to use used books otherwise. Yeah, oh, right. Zuby, you're right. I forgot. They always have a new edition. The new edition every semester, they have a new edition, which is where they put problems from page 2 onto page 6. And then it's like, oh, brand new book. Here we go. That's it. Oh, we took out that line of code, or we took out that sentence because we need a new edition. Like, that's it. It's, and we should talk about, I should make a video on this stuff. Have I read John Sonmez's books? Like his soft skills books? No, I haven't. I haven't got his books. Gonna get the new Black Ops. I was forced into doing Black Ops today via push-ups and donations, so I guess so. I was like, it's $60. I'll gladly take that through donations to play COD, because otherwise it's expensive. And then all of a sudden, the donations. So maybe. Now the chest pump is like, ugh. Can't they just screenshot it for everyone? What do you mean? Screenshot the, like the code? It's only one-time use. And you have to log in with your username and password, and then the student goes, or the teacher logs in and grades your work. What's up with the push-ups thing? It's just for me, and it's for people that, you know, I don't know. Like, if you donate money to me, what do? I can't sing. I can't rap. I'm not... You know, so I do push-ups. That's my skill. I do push-ups. Just get a Fortnite group together. I can't build. Well, I can learn how to build. I didn't know that it was like such a, like there's so much technique to building in Fortnite. It sounds like, I don't know. Whoever gets on top, please sing. It's not going to happen. You're going to hear my crackly voice. I sound like Morty from Rick and Morty. It's not my favorite thing. That's what happens if I try to sing. But I do have like a pretty high-pitched voice. So I probably could do some pretty good singing. I noticed all of like the pop singers, like the dude from Maroon 5 and we got Shawn Mendes and Ed Sheeran. They all have They all have like similar voices to me. So if I could learn how to sing, I'd probably be a pretty good singer. Maybe I should invest in that. Question mark is not defined, just one place. Everywhere else it was working. What's the problem? I don't know. I can't see your code, fam. So you have like $0 worth in engineering books that are worth. Oh, I do have. Here, let me grab some engineering books that I got from my teachers in Finland. They're over here. Please hold. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Stick to coding. You don't like Rick and Morty? Hey Morty, I'm a pickle. Here's my thermodynamics book. This was real fun. That was real fun stuff to learn. Oh, $2. Don't have to do push-ups, but if you want. Of course I want to. Oh, this is not engineering. This is what I got for my my license. My renewed license. I have all my stuff in here. I got robotics. Yeah, I mean, most of the stuff that we needed for class, they just printed out. Have you ever been to the cave where Ted Bundy? No, I haven't done that. I didn't know that was a place. Maybe I should, well, I was gonna say maybe I should take my girlfriend there, and that'd be kind of creepy. Now that I like talked that out. What do we got here? I think I have some dynamic stuff in here. Got some basic dynamics. Curvilinear motion, absolute dependent motion analysis of two particles. That was fun. Lots of free body diagrams in here. Remember scraping by with a B in that class? Even though you technically failed? Yeah, you gotta love those bell curves, dude. Gotta love them. I remember, yeah, that was a... I remember like not being able to sleep the night before that. We have bearing selection here. That was fun. That wasn't a class, but that was a part of it. Bearing selection. Here's everything you need to know with the roller bearings and the ball bearings. And this was like for a test or a practice test. We had to figure out, hello, please focus. Why won't you focus? Clutch and brakes, oof. Remember that. We got coupling, learning about coupling. I wish I had more of my stuff, but this was all I could grab from Finland. I remember when like my problem, when my math problems started going from like a quarter of a page to like 4 pages just to get to the solution with like 4 free body diagrams and a whole bunch of sections and then a whole bunch of like, and I go to page this to select this one and then I continue the mathematical calculations and then I'm on like page 4 before I get to the answer. And like when the exam is like 4 questions, but like to get those answers, it's like 16 pages of math. Oh man, this takes me back. What? That was a shameless. That wasn't a shameless. I'm such a shill. All you do is sell stuff. Yeah. Tinder or Bumble? Why not Grindr? I'm just kidding. Probably I never used Bumble. I think Bumble was they didn't have many people when I was there. What else do I got? Yeah, this is a lot of miscellaneous transmission components, flat belts. This was taught by some German dude, like the most stereotypical German dude that you could imagine. Like when people like Stewie's accent on Family Guy. That's like what this dude sounded like. Only one person caught that. Oh, Pothead, you're the only person that caught that. Do I remember any of the thermodynamics? I mean, I don't remember it off the top of my head. If I looked at it. This was also taught by a German guy. It was a summer class. It was like 2 or 3 weeks, 9 to 5. All day. Literally, just all day. We had 1 hour lunch break, back to work. It was intense. I don't really use Tinder or Bumble these days, right? Because I have a girlfriend. So, you know. Actually, sometimes I'll just mess with my girlfriend. Sometimes I'll just be, I'll just download Tinder, put up a couple pictures, and then I'll be walking through the store. We'll be like shopping for groceries, and I'll just pull out my phone. What do you think of this girl? Swipe left or swipe right? What do you think? And she's like, what? I'm like, all right, pass. Thanks. Is there anywhere you could post it? Red Dragon. So post a maybe post your Babel code to paste bin, JS bin or something like that. Yeah, mechanical engineering is kind of neat. It is like, Zach, have you ever been on the R engineering students? Like, I have never seen so many. Does anyone else have no social life and only study code, but we're better than everyone else in college? Like, have you ever read that? Like, engineering sub on Reddit? And like, there's so much elitism on Reddit's engineering section. They're like, I go to UC Caltech, blah 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 blah. Like, bruh. That's my excuse for your wife too. Is a joke, babe. Sometimes I'm like, I tell my girlfriend, I'm like, can you stop nagging? You're starting to sound like my wife. She's like, what? And then when I was married, I was like, ugh, can you stop nagging? You're starting to sound like my girlfriend. And she's like, wait, what? That was a good one. Speaking of girlfriend, she sent me a text message. That's how it was at your school too. Do I think it's a good idea to put your Tinder profile that you're... I don't think it's a good idea. Definitely, probably don't do that. You probably should put... This. Let me tell you what I put on my Tinder profile, right? I put, I'll be Dora, you be Diego, let's go explore. That was it. That was literally my description. And like, no shirtless pictures, just me with my dog. And it's just like swipe, 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 swipe. Take a couple pictures of you in your Jeep on a mountain, outdoors. Take a picture with your dog. Picture you doing something fancy. Got to get that well-rounded. Oh, I want this guy. Like, pretty simple. I wouldn't put... I'm a mechanical engineer that graduated from Southern Polytech University from Georgia State. And I also, you know, I'm looking for a cute girl with blonde hair, but brown is okay. I like blue eyes, but if you have green eyes, that's okay. Brown eyes, I'll consider. Like, no, bro, don't put that in there. Mechanical engineering is the best. Everything else is fake. We used to rag on the CS majors. I know, right? I didn't know what CS was, but even then, CS majors are still like, you know. The doggos helped me. It wasn't the white one. I didn't have him then. I had the other one first. And then I was gone all day for my engineering job with my 12-hour shifts. So I had to get another dog. She was lonely. Ask girls to rate the hotness of a software developer. Well, I think for people that aren't inherently software developers, you'll probably get better ratings on, right? People that are moving into software from other places. But yeah, Robert, definitely don't put that on the pro. If you put that on there, the only thing they're going to think is, oh, he's an engineer. He must have money. Like, that's it. I put something like World Traveler, I'm Dora, you're Diego, with like a little teddy bear emoji. I don't know. They don't want to read your bio, dude. They just want to meet. Physics, CS, engineering, humanities. Own a dog, ladies' dick. I mean, even if you didn't have a dog, just take a picture of yourself volunteering somewhere. Or you don't even need a dog. Just, have you tried not being unattractive? Have you tried being attractive? Have you tried have you tried not being poor? And have you tried having lots of money? Those are 4 things you can try right there. Tips on lovemaking. Oh, just the weirdest stuff comes to my mind when you ask that question. Oh, because my tips would be so egregious. Girls like status. Girls like money. My girlfriend wouldn't even message me. I thought she was a bot on Tinder when we first got together. I messaged her on Tinder. I'd be like, hey, what's up? She'd be like, hi. I'd be like, you want to go see a movie? The new Jurassic Park came out. And she'd be like, I don't know you. Well, then why did you accept my message? But I didn't say that. I was just like, are you cool? I put, are you sure? I'm going to go watch dinosaurs eat people. You're welcome to join. This is the theater I'm at. The direction the stream is taking. I mean, it's a Friday stream, right? We can all relax a little bit. Every day we stray further from code. That's not, well, why do we gotta talk about code all the time? I mean, it's cool, right? But like, we're all bros. You guys gotta not be at work somewhere at some time. What are you guys doing then? You guys talk about late, like at some point in time, you're not sitting at your computer working or doing code. And that, like, so that's what we're talking about. Do you have an advantage with job interviews when you put on a resume that you have a degree? Francisco, you're really overthinking this, fam. It really depends on where you apply. If you apply to a job that really wants to, have a degree, then yeah, it's gonna do great. If you apply to a startup that just wants to get their stuff up and running, they're not gonna care. Have I read any seduction books? Josh, do you vape? Nah, dude. Nah. No vape. I gotta do cardio too much. Also, what's the point of vaping? Yeah, I don't get it. It costs a bunch of money. No. I don't read seduction books. I mean, I had my moment in time when I was in engineering school and the wife asked for a divorce and I looked at myself in the mirror and I was like, no one's going to want this. Time to hit that gym. Time to learn how to talk to girls. And so now, I don't know. Was your question too long? Maybe. Tech life. Exactly. We found an exploit in Josh. We're talking about girl stuff, dude. I talk about way more than code. There's just more to it. Do you have good self-esteem? I don't remember the last time I read self-esteem. Max. How long was my thought process? I did the math, Max. I did the math about a month in advance. There was a point where I just stopped and I was like, could this be sustainable? Could this be sustainable if I make a minimum amount of money per day? Or an X amount of money at the end of the month? And so I have one job where I teach code, right? And then I have YouTube. And then I have my other stuff, like resumes and cover letters and all that I have. But if I could just maintain teaching and YouTube, I could hopefully break even. And, my girlfriend pays her share of the rent and the food and all that every month. So YouTube itself, to maintain YouTube, I need about 1,000 views per video. You know, but that's okay, right? Total per day with a live stream and a video that gets 500. Hey, that's close enough. Yeah, it's close enough to be secure. You know, it's a little bit of pressure. I got to make a video every single day and hope one gets 1,000. Sometimes I get 2,000 or 3,000. I'm good for a day or two. But then occasionally, like the other day, I get like 300. And so that's about, you know, I know how much I need to pay my bills. I set a minimum amount or a maximum amount I spend for food. And yeah, I don't know. I feel it's just so much happier. Like, you guys know what I'm talking about. If you're doing something like what you think up here and what you do as actions, when those two things are aligning, then that's just like when that happiness is, right? Well, and then you're making progress. You just feel like you're on your path, doing what you're supposed to do. Like, that's how I feel when I make YouTube videos and when I teach code and when we, you know, I help you guys give advice. Sometimes I don't feel qualified to do it. That's just part of the imposter syndrome. Are you not getting those kinds of views consistently? You thought I was blowing up quite a bit. I was, right? The video that exploded was the interview video, what a real front-end developer interview looks like. The thing with that video, though, is that video was posted for 2 months. 2 months before it just exploded, right? And then the rest of my videos. And when that video exploded, I guess, so to speak, I was like, maybe I can swing this into momentum if I keep making videos. And so from that point on, I was like, if I just swing this into momentum of YouTube, where I stop making a video like once a week, once every few days, and just do it consistently every day, I'll get better at talking to the camera. I'll get better at editing. I might run out of ideas, but that's on me. But maybe I can make it, right? And so I've only been doing this for like, I don't know, 2 months consistently now. And so according to that logic, right, one of these other videos should explode. A lot of my older videos that I made like a year or two ago, those videos are suddenly exploding now. Like, I have no idea how this works, right? So these videos that I'm making might not have like upfront value to this audience, but as time goes on, people might watch the videos. That's just how YouTube works. It's so weird and it's kind of frustrating. Not very often when you post a video, same day does it just do amazing. That just rarely happens, unless you put like a Google thing in the top. I might do that. I might copy Chris's video and just be like, Google says no to degrees. Put a big old Google tag up there. Boom, done. Instant 50K views. Then I can hit 30,000 finally. Hopefully that helps. Also, Roberto, you can't think that you're below average and you can't be weird and you're asking some weird questions. You just have to be fun, dude. You gotta be fun. If you make them feel happy, make them feel like they're having fun, that's what girls live on, man. That was the first video you watched, the real interview. Yeah, I mean, that's the first video that a lot of people watched. Fix your mental state to get a better job. Yep. When the ideas run out, encourage community to do stuff and you review them as content. Yeah, I mean, I do that sometimes, right? I crowdsource the ideas, but there are tons of people looking up coding related stuff. Works for tech lead. Yeah. Joe actually made a video, Coding Face, he made a video where he's like, this is what an ex-Google developer does, right? And so like he was just me, but no one watched the video. Like he was like, ex-Google developer takes out the trash. Ex-Google developer takes a dump. Ex-Google developer does the laundry. Ex-Google developer does the dishes. Because it's like literally you just put that. He was just making fun of the trend. And I was just like, he didn't get that many views because he didn't put Google in the title. But like, or he didn't put a logo of it on his thumbnail. But it was just like, they're just people like you and me. And the same as me, you know. But if you just put that prestigious, people look up to you like you're some sort of software entity, omnipotent being. Yeah, I was talking to him and I was like, dude, you have to make more videos like that. Yeah, I mean, so feel free to drop video ideas. What do I think of the tech lead? You enjoy his insight and content for the most part. He's kind of trollish, but he's having fun with it. Yeah. I mean, I think he already has passive income. I think he said he made like 40,000 a year or something on passive income. He lives at home. Max, where do you live? If you live somewhere really expensive, I have to refund this. If it costs me like $30 to send it, then obviously, you know. If it costs me double to send it there than what it does to... I need to see where you live. All right, Minnesota, I got you, fam. The Chris one with the filters and the car footage, how'd you laugh? Yeah, I think memeing I was thinking about like memeing Joe. I think Joe would have a laugh, but I think the viewers wouldn't get it. Have ever seen the YouTube channel called Tech Lead? Have you guys ever seen the Tech Lead? He has 43 vids and 140k subs. I mean, he has the network, right? So he's got the network. He's just got the network going. If I could partner up with Yoma and Mayuko and Jarvis and the Tech Lead and Engineered Truth, that would be nice. Please collab. Educational content is huge. I mean, I get it, right? I don't like doing code videos. Number one, because I stop a lot and I think through and it's annoying to edit. And then number two, there's already 400 other people. Like, yeah, I could probably do it now, but I wouldn't want to do really complex topics because I'm just not that interested in it. I really like editing and having fun with what I'm doing and talking about more. I like talking about more soft skill stuff. Hard skills good, right? And I can talk about that. It's just there's already a bunch of other people doing that. Have you ever watched Fun? Yeah, I watched MPJ before he changed to Fun Function. What do I use to plan my day, week, or month? Just implement tasks. How do you start your day? You don't plan. Well, I mean, I got this little notebook here. I write everything down every day. It's actually, you can see it. It's a pen, but like, it's erases. It's like a whiteboard. It's like a whiteboard notebook. It's pretty neat. Yeah, that's how I plan my day. And then time management, it's up to me. What do I think about EDX.org? I don't know. I've never done it. Nice, Victor. What if I interview tech CEOs in the area? I would need to grab their ear for a little bit. I would need to convince them to sit down with me and be like, hey, what do you look for? I could try. Maybe we could do a live stream where we go on LinkedIn and we hunt down some tech CEOs in Salt Lake City. And I'm like, hey, you, let me interview you. I have a YouTube channel. I think we get a lot of great, I think we get you a lot of great candidates here. But I think channels on YouTube have a hard time getting traction because it's entertainment. Entertainment doesn't provide, well, I don't know if it's an entertainment platform. I think it's just a video platform. Depending on what you use it for, it could be multiple things. Please do a Tech Lead Fluke crossover. If I could get him to just comment on my video, I just show up with some like Matrix glasses. I am the Tech Lead. Can I do a comparison? The most wanted programming languages. Some people getting into code have no clue what to learn. Amber, yeah, sure. You have Python, JavaScript. Right now, those are the most wanted. PHP is gonna be doing pretty good. What's my best 10K? Like my run, 10K run. It was like a little bit under 20 minutes. That's when I used to run every day, like 4 or 6 miles, 10 miles. If you like to solve programming problems like the ones in books, do you think you should pursue web development? You should probably pursue something that solves problems. So web dev has problems, but web dev is also creative. Maybe you should be back end, or maybe you should do more traditional languages like C++ or C# or something like that. Armand, what's up, dude? How's your Friday, man? You about to head out to work? That would be a world record. Under 20 minutes is not a world record. It's 3 miles, 3.3 miles. Oh, 10K. Ha! I'm thinking about 5K. Yeah, never mind. Oh, I don't remember. It was like, I've only run a few. I think maybe like 57 minutes. Now you got me looking up. Short day today. What are you going to do when you're done with the day? Been trying to get back into backend. Django or Flask better. Django or Flask better. I can't say. Django's more of a CMS. Have I read Cracking the Coding interview book? Any views? It's yeah, it's I've read it. It's okay. Making the Pomodoro. Nice, dude. I think that's the free one, yeah. Do I still use the LG V20? I upgraded, my friend, to the, you see it? I was due for my two-year trade-in. It doesn't have any notches on it, so that's kind of neat. That's kind of nice and neat. Have you guys seen the Google Pixel 3? It's just notches everywhere. Do you need an admin panel? Then use Django. Yeah. Yeah. 10K in 20 minutes. Yeah, I'm thinking 5K. 5K is 3.3 miles. Or 3.1, right? 10K is 6.2 miles. The Note 9? The Note 9 is actually okay. If I pull up Fortnite on this phone, you can see the frame rate's not as actually like as good as the advertisement. Hold on. You guys have seen the advertisements, right? Fortnite, new Galaxy, whatever skin, blah 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 blah. Let me load it up. What is this? Error? Oh, I gotta update. Please hold. What's really weird is that you can't download Fortnite from the Play Store. You have to download a Fortnite downloader, and then you have to download Fortnite. So if let's see, Fortnite installer. Do you use S Pen much? Yeah, I don't really use the S Pen. This little thingamajigger here, right here. No, I don't. It doesn't. Sometimes I take screenshots with it. That's it. Error on login. No, boy, we are downloading. Okay, update. Gotta get that update. It runs at like maybe 20 FPS. It's not. I just clicked update, but is there another update? All right. Let's try it now. It's a very odd way of doing things. You have to get a... Here we go. Here we go. Downloading another update. $640 megs. Also, the thing with this Fortnite is that it has like an auto shoot. Like you just if you can get your crosshair over someone, then it just shoots for you. It's so strange. Like you don't even I don't know how you build. First off, how do you build on Fortnite on mobile? Like you just like have like 6 fingers and you're just like how does that work? I can barely even run around and look. All the updates. Hold on. We're not done yet. We had to install the updates. Now we're optimizing the updates. Okay? Please. What is this one thing? What is this one thing? Oh, JDR, thanks for dropping by. The one thing that you need to know is that it's up to you this weekend to get your work done. Patrick, if you want. 10K in 20 minutes is like 3 minutes a mile. Yeah, that's insane. You can't get into Fortnite? You miss Halo 2 and 3? I like Halo 5. Hold on, we're starting, initializing, optimizing. I don't know. Plus, you can tell everyone you know him in the comments. Yeah, dude. Sounds good. You should definitely do that. I like how we're all just sitting here waiting for my phone to load Python. I should get Call of Duty. I think that's what everyone is playing on Twitch, probably. Let's load up Twitch. Twitch.tv. And oh, you can mute the sound. Oh, they changed the homepage. Yeah, Call of Duty Black Ops 4, 333,130 viewers. So it's a little bit popular right now. People don't really build on mobile. There's this kid who plays Fortnite on an iPad and he streams it, and it's insane. When the stream lose steam, nah, dude, we're just hanging. That's what the stream is. Like, we'll do a code stream later. It just kills the algorithm. What's on my Friday agenda? I gotta make a video. Got my first sponsored video coming out later. I got Lambda video, right? Check in on Patrick video. Gotta do that today. We did the live stream already. I gotta go work out, go for the 2-mile run, meditate, work on my email, fix my website. Am I originally from Finland? I'm from Georgia. I was married to a girl there. Why don't I create a Slack channel for subscribers to share code? You can share code in Discord. Discord allows you to paste code as well. But Slack isn't conducive to a community the size that you have here, right? You can't put like 50,000 people on us. I mean, you could. That would just be a mess, I guess. I think that'd be better off if we had like a forum, maybe. I should look into creating a forum on my website. I should also look into creating a job post. That'd also be kind of neat. Would you guys be interested in if I did like a... Well, this is already the plan. I already have it bought and ready to go, but I'm going to be making... a job site for junior developers, and it'll scrape jobs for people to post to junior jobs, or whatever. I really motivate you to work on the computer science. Nice, dude. Thanks. I don't know what I'm doing, but keep it up. That's all on your list today for this weekend. No, that's all for today, right? So right after this, I'm going to hit the gym in maybe 10 minutes. And then Don't do a forum, you'll never get anything done. I might. This is the problem. The problem with Discord, as I was talking about. Well, actually, I cut that part out. This is the problem with Discord. Discord is not legacy content. When someone asks a really thought-provoking question, or really like food for thought, or something that engages everyone to contribute and type in the Discord, right? Once that question is gone and someone's like, hey guys, look at this meme, and then everyone forgets. Like, no one can go back and search that. Like, no one can see that was a hot topic. It just disappears up in the chat, right? So this is what's good about a forum, is it stays around. If you have a question, you can search it up. You can see what got a lot of answers, what was popular that day. Discord is just like a constant stream of information, whereas a forum is legacy. Who are you? What? Who are you? I don't even know my name sometimes, dude. Just chatting is now a section on Discord. What? Or on, are you serious? Workout. Workout with cute girls from Russia. 341 viewers. Why? Why wouldn't you just go to the hub? Why would you tease yourself with Twitch? They're not allowed to show you anything good. Just skip that. Stop donating to these girls that are dressed when you can donate to girls that are already undressed. Let's see. Basic front-end HTML, CSS. A bit of Bootstrap. Should you practice front-end or move to back-end? Yeah, you need to know Sass, and you need to know JavaScript. You can't move to back-end without JavaScript. What? Yeah, you need to know JavaScript. Where's your... That's not even basic front-end. You can't say basic front-end without JavaScript. Did you post on Azu forums? No, I don't even know what that is. Yes, by the way, guys, we're just now loading into Fortnite. Here we go. Look, okay, so, yeah, giving books away, just leave a comment. Yeah, go check out Tech Life's channel. He makes tech videos as well. Alright, so I'm going to show you the frame rate of this. No! I'm just going to spin the dude and you can see. Look at the frame rate. It's like, oh, I can't spin him. Really? Please hold. Should you do legs or back today? Technically, you're supposed to do both of those, right? If you're doing deadlift, you're supposed to lift with your legs, but you're also getting that lower back. So, you know, what kind of keyword do you have? What do you mean? You need good rules for all your Discord channels? I mean, I have pretty good rules. Just daily chat, you can meme if you want, but try to not meme all the time. I just want to show you that it doesn't run at 60 FPS like they show in the commercials. It runs at maybe like, maybe 25. Oh no. Oh no, people talking. Alright. I don't know, it looks a lot smoother on this than it does. I don't know. Also, it has this weird mouse acceleration. I just can't aim or do anything in this. I don't know. Close. Can't you get into legal problems when scraping from other job sites? I'm not claiming them as my own. I mean, you can link to the job site. Like, I'm not applying. It's not illegal to link to a job site. You've only done an internship and have a CS degree. More internships or apply for jobs? I would have skipped internships anyways, right? Because that's just how I roll. Just ball hard, go for jobs no matter what. If you get an internship on the way, take the internship. Yeah, YouTube has 30 FPS, especially the live stream. I'm streaming at 30, so it looks kind of smooth. Yeah, but what I would do, I would just go straight, just ball, just go for the job, you know, and then you get an internship along the way. Take the internship, do that, but still look for jobs. Like, even it doesn't matter what job you're at, keep looking for jobs. That's how you get more money. That's how you get more experience. You don't. Typically, it's better to move into doing something like. It's better to move jobs to get more money, more experience. Like moving within the company, I guess is great if you're really dedicated to that company, but I would always, like, doesn't matter what job I'm at, I'm always open to new jobs. Like company loyalty, no. New job, more money, new team, more stuff. Like, I don't care, right? It's your life. You got to live your life for you at the end of the day. You know, because the CEO's living his life for him, right? That's why he made the company. That's why he hired people to do his work for his company so that he can live his life. So you got to think about the same thing when you're moving within those jobs. Can I check out your site? You're trying to get a junior front end. Yeah, send it over, dude. Keith, send me your site. Shoot me your email. Shoot it to my email right now. Oh, yeah, so I'm doing a portfolio review today, and I only have 2 portfolios to do. I need more portfolios. Please send me your GitHub pages, your front end portfolio, any projects that you've done. We'll take a look at them. I'm doing for the video today. So I'm putting out 2 videos today. 1 Lambda School, and then 1 portfolio review. It's gonna be sweet. I'm about to head out here in about 3 minutes, go to the gym. I got a call at 11 with another potential sponsor, so that'd be kind of cool. You'll send it over for a future vid? Alright, dude. Sounds good. Can I link to your keyword? I don't know what that means, man. For the potential one? Oh, Coursera, right? They want me to review 2 of their courses or check them out, make videos about them. No push-ups on stream. Yeah, we did. Have a mighty productive day. Hey, thanks. You guys too. I hope you guys have a productive Friday. Have a good weekend. I'll be here tomorrow morning for the stream as always. And we'll hang out. Probably do a shorter stream. We're at almost 2 hours, but it was a good stream. Had a lot of engagement. Yeah, it's a keyboard. So I have a K95. No, it's not a K95. It's a K65? I don't know. Corsair K65 something. Let me... Here. This thing. I have another keyboard. This is my secondary keyboard here. It's a little dusty, but it's essentially this thing here. No! Zach. I hit the wrong person. Digital Logic exam Tuesday. Cool stream. Thanks. Have a great day. Hey, you guys have a great day as well. Professional course reviewer as a bullet point. You know what I want to be for Halloween? I want to be an influencer. I saw a costume meme that was like... a girl with a set of yoga pants and a belly shirt and a visor hat, and it said how to influencer costume, and I was just like, oh my god. Every girl on Instagram. That's the best. All right, guys. I'm out. Hope you have a good one, and I'll see you later in the videos.